All right, guys, so we just got this PlayStation 2 in, and when I plug it up and turn it on, you can hear like a little buzzing noise, and no light comes on. So listen. Can you hear that? Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and try to fix this. It sounds like one of the capacitors is messed up. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go ahead and change out the board, the power supply board on the inside. That should fix the issue. But I'm going to take you guys along the process and let's see what happens. All right, so I've taken the top off, and so that's the top, and then I flipped it over, and now I took the bottom off after taking all those screws out. And now I'm going to take these screws out to get this. Here's the power supply. You always want to be careful touching all of this because it could still hold some power. All right, so after I got all the screws out, I went ahead and pulled up on it very softly, not bending anything. You still have the power cord connected to it. And be careful not to touch any of that, because that will shock you. Pretty sure that battery still holds some good old power in there. But there's your fuse. We can look at the fuse. The fuse, it doesn't look bad, but something's going on with one of the capacitors, and I'm gonna definitely save this and do my tests on this board a little later. But for time purposes, I went ahead and just ordered another power supply and off eBay, and we're gonna put that in now. All right, guys, so as you saw, I just replaced the power supply. Not too hard to do. Put it back together. I haven't put the screws back in because I just want to test, but you guys are going to test it out with me. So first I plugged it in. We're going to turn it on. Hopefully we get a light. Yep, got the light. And now, okay, that's good. And it opens. So now I just need to plug it up to the TV, see what we get. All right, guys, so I just got it plugged up to the TV. We're going to test it out. As you can see, it is coming on. We're gonna test it out with a game. We're gonna try this one. Ready to rumble. And this is just for, testing purposes. I'm still gonna open it up again, clean out the lens and everything, make sure it's doing what it's supposed to do. But we definitely will be getting rid of this one here. I'm gonna sell it. So if you're interested in some parts, definitely I'll leave a link in the description so you can get this unit if you like. I won't be selling it with this cord. This cord is a bad cord. It's just like a test cord. It will be a brand new cord. Let me plug in. As you guys can see, that little Dreamcast back down the back. Okay, so it just registered that the controller was input. Pretty cool game. You could At one point, you will have to be able to fight against Michael Jackson. You gotta unlock him. Oh man, you got versus Shaquille O'Neal. Wow. It's crazy. But yeah, PlayStation 2 is working, guys. If you like this video, found this video helpful, or you want to see any of my products that I'm selling for cheap, definitely look at the link in the description. Thank you. All right, so my job is to fix the consoles. What's your job?
To
To test them out and test them out and make sure they're running like they're supposed to, okay? So he's about to check Spider-Man to see how that works, okay? All right. All right, so he tested that one out for me, and then he said that it was making a noise. He said, why is it making a noise? So that let me know to come check this game out. And this game, it's a bad game. It's scratched up pretty bad. So we said we're going to go to another game. So try that. And this one looks like it's working, right?
I don't hear nothing.
You don't hear nothing? All right, so is it system bad or was that game bad?
The game, it just was wrong.
The game? Bad game?
This was, the game just was doing something.
Okay. All right, that's my guy. He's on my team. Let's go. All right, guys, so as you see, the console is working. Got my tester over here. He's testing out for me. Playing a little Iron Man. Yeah, if you're interested in this ps2 console, I'm definitely gonna go ahead and get it cleaned up real good. I'm definitely gonna clean the lens and everything. Yeah, but if you're interested, definitely leave a message. Subscribe to our channel. Peace.